WOLF stock analysis and price predictions for 14th of July Monday. Is Wolfspeed stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of this down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in this page that's done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented them all, so I've seen what's actually making me money and what's not. With Wolfspeed in particular, I always like to just zoom out to see exactly where we are, because I have made a video, I think it was like still a bearish side, yeah, on 8th of July when it was like 257. And since then has not changed. It was like 8th of July, and since that like 8th of July date, bro, it's been just melting to like 134. Still waiting, like didn't get my rules met, but it's not like I'm gonna come here and then just trying to force a trade just to be in a trade for the sake of it. No, yes, I've got like a lot of sell side predictions, but this all kind of began even when it was 10 bucks, because I already looked at the higher time frame ideas, right? Boom, still bearish, looking to take it to like 60 7 months back. You know, it's like it's all out here. Cannot fake this. If you want to stay tuned and get my free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.